Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound.
Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing and review video. And today we're taking a look at Black Panther from HAWKWARZTOYZ. Guys, I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Gary Walk from 16 World for sending me this figure. If you want to get this one or any other figures, make sure you check him out. I put the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to the channel and you want to check out the latest HAWKWARZTOYZ releases, posting videos and live streams, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, enough with the talking, let's start with the unboxing. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, and here we have the box. So we have a nice picture of Black Panther in the front with a very nice pattern there. This is the side of the box, Black Panther here, looking very nice. This is the back of the box with the cross and warning, small pieces, do not eat it. This is the other side, Black Panther, and I really like this pattern and colors there, and that's basically it. Now, out of the packaging guys, we have this insert art here, and we have the Black Panther here with some claw marks there, looking very good. As you can see, nicely done, and underneath we have the figure. Now, let me remove the cover here, and of course, you know, with every unboxing, the first thing is the brand new smell of a HAWKWARZTOYZ. So let me remove the plastic cover and show you the figure, which looks fantastic. As you can see here, we have a Black Panther in all its glory. Proportion wise, I'm very happy, and don't worry, I'm gonna show you everything in this unboxing and review. So we have the figure, we have the accessories there, and that's it. Alright guys, so now let's take a closer look at the accessories. And here we have all the accessory guys. As you can see, we have the base, we have the head sculpt, we have the mask, we have the shield, the spear, and of course a bunch of hands. So we're gonna start with the head sculpt here, and let me tell you, this thing looks fantastic. The likeness of Chadwick Boseman is simply fantastic. You can see a lot of details going on. Pin application nicely done. I love the beard, I love the hair. The sculpted is very good, as you can see there. Now this one here is very similar to the previous version with a different paint application, and let me tell you, very happy with the end result. Now for the next accessory guys, we have the mask here, and this one looks really good. As you can see, a lot of details going on the side, on the top, and of course the teeth. Now everything here is plastic and very good material it seems. Underneath we have some protection, so this is when you put it on the head sculpt. Now for the next accessory guys, we have the spear here, and this is a combination with the spear and of course the shield, and let me tell you, it looks really nice. You can see those straps inside the spear, so you can actually put it on the figure, and that's basically it. Now for the next one, we have the dagger, and this one here, you know it because you've seen it in the previous version, and it does look really nice. As you can see, the handle and of course the pointing thing here. Now this is nicely painted in plastic, and very happy so far with this one. Now for the next accessory, guys, we have the hands, and as you can see, nicely sculpted. Of course, you can see the details inside, and of course the claws looking good, and of course we have more hands behind these ones here. So we have a few more here, and that's basically it. Now taking a look at the figure here, guys, let me tell you, this thing looks massive. I love all the details, the suit, the proportion, the body itself is a newly developed body, as you can see. So very happy so far with the figure. Now let's see how tall this figure actually is, and Black Panther is 12 inches tall. Alright guys, so now let's take a closer look at the details here, because let me tell you, we have a lot to go over. And we're gonna start with the mask here, and let me tell you, it looks really good. A lot of detail going on. The pattern is nicely done. I think Hot Toys did a fantastic job on this figure. You can see the side, the back, of course. Just bear in mind that this one here is the original suit, so I think, in my opinion, one of the best suits from the movie. Now this is the top, looking really nice, and of course the side. Now you can see the necklace there, nicely done. It's attached to the body. You can see the muscle, it looks really good, especially the chest looking very buffy, so I really like it. You can see the arms as well, and of course the gauntlet and the hand. Now the suit itself is nicely crafted. You can see a lot of details and patterns throughout the suit, and that's a huge plus if you ask me. This is the side, looking very good as well, especially that sculpted hand. Very happy with that so far. I think Hot Toys did a good job with this figure, definitely an improvement. Now underneath you can see the lower part of the figure there, looking nice, proportion wise very good. You can see the legs, very nicely done, a lot of patterns as well, continuation of the theme from the suit, so looking very good. You can see the feet there with the nails, looking nice, painted in a silver color there. This is the bottom, and you can see the Hot Toys and Marvel logo there, looking really good. This is the side, as you can see there, nicely done. Now one thing of concern could be the articulation, not because you cannot articulate the figure, but maybe because of the suit. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you the articulation in just a second. So this is the back, looking nice as well. Again, more patterns, looking very good. And proportion wise, I think this looks fantastic. As you can see here, the overall proportion, very good. Now for articulation, guys, you can move the head up and down and to the sides this much, not bad. For the arm, you can lift it for about this much. You can bend it or move it forward for about this much, and back for about this much. So far so good. Some swivel here. You can bend the elbow for about this much, maybe more. Again, the suit could be a problem, and you have some peg articulation on the hand, so not bad. You also have some swivel here, some up crunch, very good. You can do a split for about this much, and just be careful with these creases. You have some swivel here on the thighs. You can lift the leg forward for about this much, not bad, and back for about this much. So then you have some swivel again, and you can bend the knee for about this much. So very good. I really like the articulation so far. Some movement, swivel here up and down, and some toe articulation. Mine is a bit stiff, but trust me, it has toe articulation. And that's it. Now let's take a look at the figure with the head sculpt here, and let me tell you, it looks really good. As you can see, the likeness is very well done. I love the paint application, the expression of the eyes, the hair, everything is just perfect. By far the best representation of the Black Panther here. So this is the back, as you can see, looking really good. And of course, proportion wise, again, no issues whatsoever. Everything blends together very nicely. So very happy with the Black Panther here. Now for the next one, I'm going to show you with the mask. As you can see here, for some reason mine doesn't fit all the way down. As you can see, I mean, the eyes are good, but I feel like it could be better. But other than that, I have no issues. I think it looks very good. The protection inside the helmet is very good, or the mask rather, so it protects the figure, so don't worry, you will not get scratches. So very happy with that, as you can see there. Now proportion again, this is how it looks on the top, and overall look on the figure looks really good. I will say that the color on the mask is a bit different, and that's basically it. Alright guys, so now let's do some poses. Alright guys, my final thoughts about this figure is actually very positive. Starting with the likeness, I think this is a fantastic representation of Chadwick Boseman or Black Panther as seen in the movie. I think this is by far an improvement from the original figure, the original suit that is. Let me tell you, proportion wise is excellent. Now the amount of accessories is not a lot. We have the shield, we have the helmet, we have the mask and the headscope of course, and a few hands. So there's not a lot on that area. But one thing that I really like about this figure is the articulation. Definitely you can do really good dynamic poses with this. Just take your time, you will get there. And because of that, my final score is 10 out of 10. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Collectibles, TikTok, Collectibles, and Facebook group 6Scale Media for anything related 1/6 figures. Both links in the description below. And if you have some time, check out these two cool videos. And as always, be well and see you around in the next video.